Hello everyone, I hope you are doing fine. Welcome to the Fortex Weekly News, wherein today we are going to cover all of the news across the week related to technology like the increasing popularity of the game Among Us, whether or not Tesla will come to India in next year, recent updates on the giant construction company called Arabtech, and a few others. Do remember that we at least upload a single news video on our channel every week, as it completely depends on the availability of fresh news in a particular week. We may even upload more than one news video, like maybe 2 or even 3 if there are lots of latest technological stuff happening around the world. And so that you don't miss out any of it, do remember to watch out for all of the news videos of the week to be completely and truly updated. So without any further ado, let's get going with the video. SpaceX founder and Tesla CEO Elon Musk had recently become the talk of the town after he tweeted, "Next year for sure." The reason behind that tweet was that Tesla Club India tweeted, "India wants Tesla," and they mentioned Elon Musk in that tweet. And in reply to that, Elon Musk tweeted, "Next year for sure." This created a lot of hype and excitement for Elon Musk and Tesla admirers, as Tesla has been holding its launch in India from the past 2 years, which could have happened this year if we weren't going through the COVID-19 pandemic. But nevertheless, a tweet coming from Elon Musk himself saying that next year for sure definitely gives a kind of positive green signal to the fact that Tesla will come to India in 2021, cause we all know that Mr. Musk really likes to keep his words. So let's hope that it really happens. Another news related to Tesla is that they broke their own record. During the last quarter of 2020, Tesla was able to deliver 139,300 vehicles, which in the previous quarter, Tesla delivered around 112,000 cars. This was the third consecutive quarter of better than expected numbers of sales from Tesla. In the first quarter of 2020, they delivered around 88,000 vehicles, and they expect to deliver 500,000 vehicles overall annually for the year 2020. Moving ahead towards the next news, the most downloaded game of the year 2020 called Among Us. As we all know, the coronavirus pandemic has narrowed down the possible ways to stay entertained, and in such time, the game Among Us comes in as a rescue for people from boredom, and has become their favorite one amongst their few options to keep themselves entertained and involved while staying at their home. According to the reports, it suggests that in the third quarter of the year 2020, 14.2 billion games were downloaded by the users across Apple and Google Store, out of which the most downloaded game was Among Us. The game has a unique concept and is really fun to play it with your friends. One of the other reasons for the sudden spike in downloads of Among Us may be due to the ban imposed on the popular game PUBG. It seems like everyone is getting diverted towards this new game and have made it their choice of game to play within themselves. Now moving forward to UAE. Arabtech is a UAE based construction company which helped to build the world's tallest skyscraper building, Burj Khalifa, is now in trouble. Arabtech was founded in 1975 and is known as one of the finest construction company in the whole world. The company has about 40,000 employees, and every job is now in danger, as all of them may lose job according to a report. Arabtech was at its peak in the year 2014, and its net worth back then was around $8.2 billion. But because of the pandemic situation, Arabtech is seeing their difficult and hard phase. Let's hope for the best. Moving on to the White House. So, what's happening in the White House? President Donald Trump and his wife Melania Trump both got tested positive for the COVID-19 in the recent week. He tweeted from his official Twitter handle saying that they have begun their quarantine process and will recover from it immediately. As US elections are coming close and President Donald Trump getting positive for the virus, election campaign has been put on hold. But the virus isn't enough to keep Mr. President away from his work, as according to the recent pictures of President from the hospital shows him working from his hospital suite. We as a channel will always try to keep you ahead in terms of technology by providing you with the most recent and latest news across the globe related to technology. And also we will always strive to provide you with genuine news so that you can cope up with the rapidly changing world and stay ahead in terms of knowledge of technology. If you found out anything valuable or informative from this video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Do press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you get notified on your devices about our fresh releases and don't miss out our future uploads. Also do check out our Instagram handle, which is provided in the description box, for our channel updates and for informative posts and stories. We provide you the news that's important to you. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you liked it. Stay safe, stay tuned, and stay happy. We'll see you in the next video.